If you're experiencing a server timeout issue in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance that could be affecting your connection. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or resetting your router. Additionally, consider changing DNS settings to use a public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.84.4. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists, reach out to Rockstar Games support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the issue, including any error codes you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot the server timeout issue in Red Dead Redemption 2. Good luck and enjoy your gaming experience.